Wafula sijui ulikuwa unaendesha baiskeli, Wafula tulikuwa tunaona nini, Wafula so and so. So I'm going to show you like very easily how we can do the application in an easy way. It's not complicated actually. And this is the university is called the University of Economics in Bratislava, and this is how the website looks like. So if you click on the link, you'll be able to navigate until here, like go to student, then there's, programs in foreign language, and you'll be able to find this page, okay, just as easy as it is. And after that, you'll be like, for example, for bachelor's program, these are the programs they have. You'll have like bachelor's in applied economics, bachelor's in business and business economics and management, and just to look like to find out and see this one in applied economics. We see like we have the deadline until 28th of February, and here the checklist. We need to do an application form, certified true copy of secondary graduation certificate in English or Slovak, certified true copy of recognition. This one I told you is done here. Like your certificates can be recognized here. Like what are they in Slovak? Like for example, what does your high school diploma mean here in Slovakia? And then we also have to proof of payment of 90 euros. So, and these are the requirements. You see, there are things you really like meet. There's nothing here that you cannot meet. And the most important thing now is about the tuition fee. You see, the tuition fee is zero, okay? And the program is for 3 years and it's in English. So there's nothing here that you cannot meet because your documents are already in English and everything they're requesting is in English. Just a little of paperwork like certification and everything which can be done. And after that, you can also see the study plan here for your program if you want to study. And if you want, you can read all of this about the sample test and everything about the program and how to apply and require documents. You can read everything here they listed. And if you, I know you meet this, you come here and you do the application, okay? So those are, if you didn't know, this is how it's done and this is how it can be done. But we also want to see like other programs. Like for example, if someone wants to study a master's in, we have these are the master's programs in applied economics or corporate business and marketing, Masters in Corporate Finance and Management, Masters in Economics and Diplomacy, or Finance and Taxes, General Management, Marketing and Trade, Masters in Tourism Management. So these are the programs. And the PhD program, they also have this. So if we can also just check one of it, we also have the same deadline as bachelor's. There's no tuition fee. This is in English. And these are the requirements. Your CV, of course, completion of online form, certificate copy of your degree, transcripts, CV, copy of identity, motivation letter. These are things that you can easily get, okay? There's nothing here that you cannot get. So stop blaming yourself. Like you cannot, if you don't try this, then I don't know how you can be assisted because you need to, at least you need to do something for yourself, okay? And also, I wanted to show you something. Okay, I'll show you the PhD before I show you something interesting about the loans, like who can get the loan for the same. So PhD, for example, if you want to do a PhD in economics or these other programs, you just want to see so that everyone is covered. Like for example, PhD in economics, the application will be open in April, 1st of April, and it ends on 15th of June. And the checklist is here. These are things that you can easily meet if you did your master's, like motivation data, framework of project, framework for project range, and the destination of the topic. So you need to have a topic, and you need to write a project proposal for the same, and list of published professional. This I know, like this is not a must because many people maybe they haven't done, but this in most. But if you have it, it's okay. If you don't have it, if you meet four of the all of them, and then you don't have application, it's still okay because I've seen many people have gotten into PhD programs without any publication. So you still we are able to do it, and we also have like the support here. You can always email them and ask them about anything, and tuition fee is zero. There's no tuition fee, and the program is for 3 years. So I wanted to see like something to do with the student loans. Who gets the loan? We also have the visa. You can okay, you have accommodation here, living cost, guidance manual for enrolled students. You have like before you make this decision, also come here and see like the practical information about the transportation, accommodation, visa, living cost. Just don't do the application by yourself. At least try to see like what awaits you in terms of accommodation, transportation, visa. Okay, we can go to visa and see because this is the most important thing. Okay, these are EU citizens, and EU citizens, most of us maybe follow here. You see, you must apply for temporary residence permit for the purpose of their studies. The application for granting temporary residence must be submitted by the foreign in person abroad. You see, like you need to do this application in foreign embassy. That's what they are telling you. So this will be done in Slovakia once you get the residence permit. I know the visa, you'll be able to come and apply for a residence card, and these are some of the requirements. You see, financial coverage and everything, purpose of residence, clearance of. So these are things that you can easily again meet. You see, so it's not something that is a big thing for you. So actually, before you do anything, you can go through this. If you meet this, then it's okay. So these are some of the practical information you need to know, okay, before you apply. And I'm looking for student loans, okay. You have sample test, you can come here, tuition fee and payments, condition of diploma. Okay, you can go to scholarships. Okay, they have a merit scholarship if you are Kunavaza Guard scholarship, but so you can also interact with this and see like if you can get a scholarship. So there are many things you need to know, okay? Not just one, two, three, but there are many, many.